Hey guys, my name is Ifeanyi Clement. Today I'm going to be running you through step by step on how to create posts using your publishing tools, which tends to be one of the best method of publishing your posts on Facebook. Alright, before we continue, I just want to advise you, if you don't have a Facebook page, it is very important you have a Facebook page for your business. The reason being that you need to differentiate your business from your personal life. Also, after creating a Facebook page, it is very important that this, which stands as, who tends to be my username, is also very important on your page. You need to have a username. Username actually makes it easy or possible for people to be able to locate you on Facebook when they search using your username. Alright, thank you. Quickly, we're going to be diving into today's class. Alright, the first thing we're going to do is to make good sure we scroll down and go through this button that says create post. So I'm going to click on create post. When I click on create post, now I'm going to have this window open on my previous window, where normally I'm supposed to put in my write-up, everything. If I want to use my images for my post, I'm going to click on these images of videos, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to go straight down to publishing tools. So I will click on publishing tools. It's automatically going to send me to another window. It's going to open up a new window. So I'm going to alright, the next thing you're going to do is you're going to click on create post. When you click on create post, allow it to load. Wait for it a bit to load. When it loads up, you come straight down to this point. Click on this icon here, that setting icon. You see the option that says new post creation tool. You click on new post creation tool. You wait for it to load up with this big window in our previous window. Good. Now from here, I simply come down to this point again. This same point, click on it again. You see classic post creation tool. Click on classic post creation tool. Now this opens up here. Now this is where we want to do all the magic. Now what do I want to upload? I want to upload pictures, photos or videos, or photos/video, whatever you call it. So I'm going to click on photos/videos, wait for it to load. Then we have different options. We have the option of upload. It says upload photos/videos, add photos/videos to your status, upload multiple videos. It says upload and edit multiple video posts at the same time, upload and post your video across multiple pages at the same time, build an album out of multiple photos, build a scrolling photo carousel with a link. You can now tell a more immersive story by combining images and videos. Okay, let's work with this. We've actually selected that option. Remember, you have to come here. When you click on this, it gives you, it gives you different options. Now I actually selected the last of I actually selected this option. Remember, I need to see well. I selected we have upload blah blah blah. We have this upload and edit multiple posts at the same time. These are new updates. It says upload and edit multiple videos at the same time. Wonderful. Upload and post your video across multiple pages at the same time. Oh, lovely. Build an album, build a carousel photo with a link. You can now tell a more immersive story by combining images and videos. So I'm going to be using this. I love those new updates though. So the next thing I'm going to do is to click on this plus icon here. You can see it, right? Click on this. When you click on that, this page is going to open up. This is where all the magic will be done. Now someone's going to ask me, wow, this is looking too empty. It's not actually fine. It's empty, but we're going to be adding different components. It's going to be like we are building a landing page on our Facebook for our posts. So now let's start up. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click on add components. I have different components I can add to my post. I have button, I have the carousel, I have the photo, I have the text block, the video, the shop locator, and a header. Now what I'm going to do first, I'm going to add a header. I'm going to click on header. I'm going to click on OK. Now when that pops up, we have different header options. We have the text header, we have the logo header. Now if you decide to use the text as your header, you click on text and you type in your text here. And if you want to use logo as your header, you click on logo and you do what? Upload your logo. So for the sake of this training, I'm going to be using a logo. So I'll click on upload. Takes me to my computer. Alright, I would like to use I love to use this logo. I like this. So I'm going to click on this. I'll wait for it to upload. Good. This is the header I want to use. Alright, so let's go here. If you choose to change the background, let's see how the background looks. Let's say I don't like it, so you can actually work more. Say okay, let's say because of this, I'm gonna leave it this way, maybe something like this. So I'll close that. I'm done with the header. It tends to be I decide to use my logo. So I'm going to add another component. Let's say the next component I want to add is a text block. I want to add a text block. Click on that and click on OK. So this is where you put in all the stories you actually want to put into your text block. Alright, I have some okay, let's take this information here. Let's copy all this info, copy this. Alright, I'm gonna paste this in here. I have that written down already before now. So I have something like this. So what I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna make this a little bit dark. These are the main things I'm selling in this text. Also I'm gonna make it bold. Good. I'll go up. I want to make this are you small business driver line? Okay, let's check it out here. Are you ready to upskill? Now I'm gonna highlight all this. I'm gonna make this dark, bold, right? Yes, close. Let's take this. Sorry. Alright, I'm gonna make this bold. Yes, sorry, the editor is supposed to be done here. I'm sorry for that. I'm gonna make it bold. Good. Close. Alright, if you want to add a background color, you can simply come down here, choose to add a background color. You can add a background color. So I'm gonna make it a little bit like this. I think I'm fine. Good. I'm fine. Alright, I'm going to add another component. Now what I want to do, I want to add carousel of images. So I'm going to click on carousel, click on this. So I want to add images. So I'll click on upload the first image. Let's see, it's my first image. Upload that. Alright, that's my first image. Go for the second image. Let's say this is my second image. Remember, this is just for the training. So if you have more than 2 images, you actually want to add up to 10, which I would always advise you. If you have up to 10 images, you can add up 10 images so that it will keep those that are engaging with your post to stay longer on your post. Now I'm going to click on this, upload. Let me look for something else. Okay, I'm gonna use this. I have another. Let's say I use this. Alright, these are just dummy images. No. Alright, I have this again. Upload image. Let's use this as well. Upload image. Okay, let's say I have up to 5 images. These are the images. These are the images. These are the images. I'm done with images. Now I want to link these images to a website where these images exist. Let's assume this post has to do with a particular product I want people to buy from me, and these products are on my website or on a particular landing page. You can go through my channel. I have a very wonderful video on how to create a landing page using MailChimp. So you can learn how to create a landing page using MailChimp, and then the link that is going to be generated for you after creating the landing page, you could just come insert it here. Remember, if you have any products, like maybe you sell shoes or whatever, you can actually create a landing page for it where people can go read up information about these shoes. But if you have a standalone website, a website for your business as well, you can just put in the URL. Now, one thing I tell people, since you don't have a website, you don't have a blog site, but you have your Facebook account, you have your Instagram account, you have your YouTube channel, you have whatever channel, whatever social media handle you have, where a particular product you're trying to sell is linked to, or is you have them uploaded on any of the social media platforms. All you just need to do, bring in the link of the product from the social media platform into this part. You can make it the website, but if it's an app you're trying to promote, all you just need to do, click on this and click on what? App Store. All you just need to do is to direct the person to, drop a link that's going to direct the person to the App Store, and so on and so forth. Instant experience as well. Okay, let's assume I just want to pick a link. Let's assume this is the product I'm trying to sell. For example, I'm trying to sell this. For example, all I just need to do, I'll copy the link from here, I'll go drop it here where I have a website. I'll drop it here. Alright, now the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to add up another block, another component. I want to add a button. So I'll click on button, I'll click on OK. Click on OK. Now the button, what do I want people to see on the button? Let's scroll down. Presently it says write something. So I'm going to write visit our store. Visit our store. So I'm going to write visit our store. So I have visit our store here. The next thing I'm going to do is to design the button. So remember, we have a website. I'm going to link this as well. Good. So outline, do I want to give it a headline? Fill. I'm going to say background color. Let's say I like the background the way it is. Keep it like this. I'm just trying to design and make sure it looks fine. Fit to page. Good. Fix button to the bottom of the view. So when I scroll, my button seems static. Alright, I'm not done yet. I'll come down here. I'm going to change the color of the text to be white FFF. Alright, it's very visible now. I think I'm going to adjust this black a bit. Let's see if it's lighter. Let's see how beautiful it's going to look. I think I like it this way. Alright, now after having all this done, you can proofread what you did. I have my logo, I have my header, I have my logo, which tends to be my header. I have my text block, I have my images. You can go through the images. I have my images. Let's assume I'm selling a particular shoe. I have different views of the shoe. I have this, I have this, I have this. Let's assume they are all shoes. Okay. Alright, I'm going to do something. Let's make them all shoes. Let's make them all shoes for the sake of the training. Let's make them all shoes. This, I have shoe here. I have this. I'm going to delete. I'm going to replace this with a shoe. Let's just grab an image of a shoe from the internet, from Google. Black shoe, image, black shoe images. So I'm going to click here. On images, let's say we go issue. So I'll quickly download it to my computer, save images to my desktop, quick and easy access. So I'll go back. Good. I'm gonna replace this with the image I just downloaded. I'm gonna take this. So the next as well, let's assume I have this downloaded as well. I'm gonna this save image to my desktop as well. I'm gonna save that. I'll come down here, replace this image. I just want them to be shoes, all shoes, all shoes. It makes more sense. Alright, don't mind the text, don't mind the text. Alright, let's assume I am actually trying to make people visit my store where they can read more or view my products. I have shoes, different categories of shoes, different types of shoes, and I have a bunch of text that talks about my shoes. And then I have this wonderful button, this lovely looking button that says visit store. Alright, having that done, the next thing I'm going to do is to click on what? Save. I'll click on save. I'll wait for it to save. Yep. Alright, it's done saving, so I have it saved. So the next thing I'm going to do is to click on finish. It says finish this instant experience. Your instant experience is ready to be added to a post, a page post rather, or ad campaign. When it's finished, finish instant experience cannot be edited. I need to take good note of that. If you know there's anything you need to edit, there's something you see that you don't like about what you're trying to post, you make good sure you edit it before you click on this finish, because immediately you click on this finish, that's all. Alright, I think I'm fine with what I did already, so it's done. So I'm gonna write something about it. Let's say I go grab the same text. Just remember they are just dummy text. Okay, I'll come here, I'll drop it in here. The next thing I'm gonna do is, how do I want to share? Do I want to share now? Do I want to schedule my post? Do I want to backdate my post? Probably maybe I don't want to post now. I want this post to drop on my page. I want people to start engaging with my post by maybe tomorrow morning. I'm going to schedule it to the particular time I want it. Now I want this post to seem as if I posted it 2 days ago. I can actually backdate my post. I can save my post to draft, but maybe I'm not ready to do the post at all. Alright, but I'm ready to do my post. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to click on share. Now for the sake of the training, I'm not going to share this because this is just a training. And if there's any question about what you just learned, please, I need you to drop a comment at the comment section, and also please try to subscribe to my channel so that I can be able to do more videos which you're going to be benefiting from. I appreciate you so much. Stay tuned for more of my videos. Thank you. Bye bye.